I believe I'll be able to change my life, getting a better job, and from there
Okay.
climb up. That's it.
So have you like some ideas regarding the Power BI for the data visualization tool,
Okay.
and also to clean the data and to the data linking them? Then after that, I will start the Python for the some advanced data analytics and data scientist role.
Okay. It seems you guys have had a class already because
Yeah,
today I
actually,
observed there was a class on the 25th.
yeah. Actually, the recorded class is also available in your portal. You can just go them and just ready. And if you face any problem, so you can also ask me in our next class also. Okay.
Okay.
department
Yeah.
so that we can able to solve by visual method.
Yeah. So we can easily monitor what the actual things going on the company, and like is there any relation like the attrition. So firstly, like I want to check the number of people department wise, and after that, like we are just taking the feedback, behalf of the feedback, the job satisfaction. So the job satisfaction is also high, and like something like that. And the attrition, the particular department is also high, like the 60%, the 20%. And if I want to show the labels, so just click on this one, data label. So the data label window is also shown on my screen, by which we can just click on the value, and again just colorful them, and like coloring. So it is just simple thing which I have discussed earlier.
Yes.
So now it's like perfect example of the department wise analysis, number of analysis department, job satisfaction department. So we can also split the window in like a different sections. So we can also, like if one more window I want to add it, so I can just like window just shrink them into this one. So it depend on us, like how many charts we can to place into the particular window. Okay. So
Yeah, so like when you like I mean for example if we are showing like some presentation and those things,
yeah.
so we just like when we save like these three things can be saved in the
Yeah,
one.
actually, when we want to like give to the presentations, so we have the option on the publish. So when you click on the publish, so you should have a commercial email ID in your organization, which you can enter them, and then easily can be share those people you want to share with them. And another method is that, like when you want to click on the file, and it is a export button. When you export button, you can easily export into the PDF.
Yeah.
So when I click on the PDF, so you can see it is a PDF, those chart which I have created. Clear?
Thank you.
So it is a presentation of the data, and you can take this file any. And if like we want to like give the presentation behalf of this one, so we can publish them.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel I have downloaded the Microsoft that PI or whatever. The icon is like something like a moon-like, half moon-like structure. Is that it? Bluish, green blue. Is that how the icon looks?
Okay. The distance is available. If I want to check here, So it is like 16 kilometer and the 5 kilometer and the 4 kilometer, something like that. So I want to check out the distance from the department or the company, maybe.
Yeah.
So it will be more beneficial. Like the only these things we can check out the distance from the department. Then I can like check out because no other option are there. So the distance
Yes.
from this one. So I can click on this one and distance
Probably.
and from the department wise. You can see distance from. Firstly, again, just copy format painter. So it is our distance from. So that
Oh,
mostly
that's it.
distance should be in there. So the human resource distance is less. So the sales distance is some little bit high, and the research and development distance is little bit high. So you can also like check, yeah, distance is high in a research and the development. So that also the reason of the attrition. And now I want to check out also the thing salary hike. Like, is there any relation the attrition to the salary hike or not? So the salary hike is there monthly, right? And the percentage of salary hike, the employee wise. So again, I want to take the different chart and the salary hike, the department wise. Now, if I want to again check, so the salary hike, it is not the manner, and again I click on the format and just paste that.
The portions.
So it is a salary hike. You can see. But now the thing is that I want to check out into this one. So it is a distance from the home and the percentage of the salary hike. So the research and the development, obviously the percentage of salary hike is more. The attrition. And if I want to change the attrition into this one, so it is also like understood. You can click them and paste them. So those are still sum of total working year, the 5 year. So again, so not to like no calculations are there, counting are there. Actually, it is a sum value and the average. It will show automatically into the average like the 4 year, 6 year, 8 year, 10 year, and the 12 year. So those are working like
Mm.
you can see the attrition, yes, only below 8 year. When those are like working in a company above 8 year, the attrition is there is no attrition.
Mm.
Okay. Now you can also compare the attrition like as per like the working of the year, and I can also check the number of years employee working in a company the separately. You can simply take a different chart and total working year, and in a company basically, so total working year, so year at a company, so it's the thing basically, not the year at company. So I want to check out the companies there. Okay, so the similar the same, and again I want to check out into the average. So you can see most of the employee working in a company same. Again I want to just copy them. Yeah, you can see most of the employee, actually it is all over the different parameter. In the first window I have like check out like the number of employee, the department, job satisfaction for the department, and the attrition by the department. Now I'm checking about what is the reason behind the attrition. So it is distance from the home department, kilometers, and it is percentage of the salary hike the per department, and it is our total working hour by attritions. So like those are like uh, working years like high, so the attrition is high or not, and it is a simple thing. So try to do this. If you face any problem, so you can ask me. So mostly the average of the employee in a working in a company or a department wise like 7 year.
Now, how you change that 02468? We just have to go x-axis
Department and just click on this one and just click on the
no, no,
average.
like practicing few more things. Otherwise, like I mean, it's like this straightforward thing
So actually one
so
more thing
far.
is also left, like the how we can create the measures or a DAX formulae in Power BI, because like most of the things we have to create a formulas, like just take an example in Excel to ready the like if
Mhm.
formulae and some other like formulae. So in Power BI basically this formulae called as a DAX formulae. So behalf of the DAX formulae, how we can like use them. So one more thing I will also discuss in the next class. Then after that I will start the Python. Okay.
Sure,
So
sure.
tomorrow I will like take the different exercise and from the scratch, and how we can like to model the data modeling, like how we can link one and more file each other, like if we want to ready the chart from the different sheets from the, and so how we
Mhm.
can like link them, and how we can like clean the data, something like that.
Oh
Cleaning the
yeah,
data,
that's
it is also the process, like some null values are there, and after that how we can visualize the data. So these kind of the things in the next class I will also discuss in the some different exercise. I hope you feel much better with this Power BI.
yeah. So like for the DAX, so like for that DAX is like the formula thing
Yeah,
that how we can calculate the thing.
yeah,
It's like that kind of thing.
yeah,
It's from the table that we're calculating.
yeah. because the some DEX formulas Power BI is automatically created, but in some situation
Oh,
we have to take a decision, we want to
mm.
calculate those salaries the particular department on the different role, so we have to create a formula here.
So, sir, for example, so like the company, like for example, if I'm working in some company,
Yeah,
so they have got like their data on their database, right?
yeah,
So, and like in the beginning, like we just have to make sure we just have to extract whatever data we need,
yeah,
and so the company will like let us know like what we supposed to do, or like for example, like okay, can you do, or like can you make like this kind of chart
yeah.
from this category, like they will give in that way so that we can work on that project on that way, or like how it will work.
Actually the company provide you the data basically. So the data can be stored in a Google Sheet. The data can be accessed from the SQL. You can also access data from the no SQL. You can access data from anywhere. And after
Yes,
that,
yes.
the company want to take the ready the particular report on this data. The what the actual data is saying that. So the data is very massive. Some null values are there.
Yeah.
Some duplicates values are there. So data is not a perfect manner, look like the it is a perfect data. There is no problem in a
Mhm.
data.
Yes.
So the if we want to simply visualize with the help of Power BI from the different sheets, so the Power BI is a good option, but it is not ready for the machine learning part or the statistical part. So
So
that
like
is the
before
thing.
doing anything,
Yeah,
like before doing like anything, like anything, whatever the report they want. So the first thing, like we have got like the varieties of data
yeah,
there, like anything. So we just have to sort it out. Like we just have to take out like the duplicate one. We
yeah,
just have to take it out like whatever the null thing or something. So
yeah,
like how we can do that,
yeah.
or might be just coming in next class.
Yeah. So in the next class, I want to also share with you how you can clean the data, some unsorted data and some massive data.
No, okay, sir. Yeah, I mean, like, if there's like the duplicate data or like anything, so
Yeah,
maybe it can create like the wrong results or the
yeah,
like, like the visualization tools or something like
yeah,
that. So probably like we have to make everything clean, and we have got like the perfect data, and then like if we start working this thing, then it will create like the very good like
yeah,
outcomes, or like it might give like the very good visualization for the company in which path it's going.
yeah. So Wilson, any question which you want to ask me? And if you're not ready for this one, so kindly watch my recorded lectures and try to ready these particular things in the today class. And the tomorrow I will start the class on the same time and get you later.
Okay, hello. You're hearing me?
Yeah,
Okay. I think why this my I wasn't able to get the what I call it, the folder, the something H employer. I think maybe it's because of my system. Maybe it doesn't have Excel, but I think that is what you use to teach the class. I think that was the folder which you used to illustrate whatever you were illustrating. Am I correct?
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I have provided a data file or a data set or the complete Power BI file which you can easily open on your Windows, and you can see the all these things which I have discussed in this class. And if you face any problem, so you can also watch my recorded video. Okay.
Okay, so as you said, it's only one class that you have done, and you advised me to watch it.
Actually, you can check out in your portal, and if you face any problem, so you can like talk with the customer support. It will like help you where you can find out the links. Okay.
Okay, no